Now, there is a potentially applicable exception in the exclusions to be aware of. Pollution exclusions will typically not apply, and there's usually language when the pollution is caused by one of several enumerated perils, such as fire, lightning, explosion, windstorm, or collapse. This raises a huge causation issue because we know that an explosion and a fire was the first event that occurred prior to the rig sinking, capsizing and sinking, which then led to the oil leaking. So if a court were to relate all the events back to that incident, this exception, to the extent it exists in a policy being analyzed, may be triggered to apply to actually eliminate application. This leads us to concurrent causation, which is another issue that I'll go through quickly. Concurrent causation, courts looking at the issue of concurrent causation will vary. Some states will apply what's called the efficient proximate cause doctrine. Others will apply concurrent causation. Efficient proximate cause doctrine can be looked at as stating, or can be generally discussed and described as stating that the efficient cause of the loss is what will be deemed to have caused the loss. That could be the first event. That could be the dominant event. It depends on the way the court wants to look at the doctrine. Some courts apply it as the first event that occurred. In this case, we had a fire or an explosion and a fire when you look at the events of this catastrophe. Others will look at the dominant event. That could be interpreted by the courts to be the actual spill. So we have to look at concurrent causation and the way in which these courts apply the doctrine.